Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to the next episode of Meet Greensboro. I'm here today with Tiffany Burrows, who is the owner and operator of Bay Capelli, which is Inside Salons by JC. Thanks for being here, Tiffany.
Thanks for having me.
Tell me a little about your business and what you do here.
Well, I am a hairdresser, specialize in color. I was in the steel industry for over 20 years and decided I needed a change. My boss asked me one day, what would you do if you could do anything? And I said, hair. And next thing you know, I was signing up for school and spent the next year in cosmetology school and have been doing it ever since.
So do you have a specialty in your line of business?
Yeah, I specialize in color. I like to do natural colors and fantasy colors.
Can you tell us what fantasy colors are?
Oh yeah, fantasy colors are these crazy pinks and purples and blues that you see on a lot of the younger generation.
Do you also do other like perms, haircuts, that type of thing?
Absolutely. I do all of them.
Okay, great. Okay.
We offer suites to, I'm also the manager here, so we offer suites to different stylists, anybody in the industry, whether they do permanent makeup, whether they do lash extensions or nails. We have a couple of nail technicians here, and it's a great private environment. You and your client are the only ones in the room. It's not open. And since COVID, that's what everybody's kind of going to.
Right. So in essence, you're a business inside a business.
Absolutely.
Okay, that's great. Mm-hmm. Do you run specials? How would you benefit the community?
We do run specials. Every one of us, because we own our own salon inside, we each run specials depending on the time of the year. Right now, I'm doing a special because people are going to start going back to blonde for the spring and summer. I'm doing a highlight special. We do partial highlights for $80.
That's awesome. And this will also be posted on the website for you guys to take advantage of. Tell us where you're located.
We're at 2729 Battleground Avenue. I am in Suite 11. There's 19 rooms here. And you can contact me if you want to get in with me or with any of our stylists here. The number's 336-255-5445.
Thank you for being interviewed today, Tiffany. If you know someone wanting to be interviewed and posted on the community webpage, please reach out to me. My number is 336-669-8873. We look forward to you visiting Tiffany. Again, I am Camilla Forcum with eXp Realty. Thank you.
Thank you.